Today's society is built around the spread and accessibility of information. We have a constant line to unimaginable amounts of it, all of which needs to be organized and presented as efficiently as possible. This information is created at an incredible rate by anyone with access to today's technology and used in a myriad of ways. Every step of the process by which information finds itself being created and used involves an information professional in some capacity. Creators, organizers, and accessors of information are information professionals in some sense. In today's society, having the skills to facilitate the use of information is less of a boon and more of a requirement in the professional environment. The interconnected global network that we find ourselves in, while massive in scale, can be boiled down to a web of people all trying to work and interact together. So, while the concept of an unimaginably large and unfeeling web can be intimidating to the up-and-coming information professional, it is best to always keep others in the forefront of your mind. In that way, you feel like less of an easily replaceable cog and more of a member of something much larger than yourself. You are a part of the greatest experience we have created as a species. And in a world where division and discontent are widespread, doing everything we can to know one another better is the most important work of all. This is the role that we find ourselves pursuing, not as an unimportant cog, but as something vital to the heart of any organization. Our work, whether it is creating programs, maintaining systems, securing and storing information, or really any other role, will always be in service to the connections we have with each other. That is the role that I want to have, and that is the work that I want to dedicate my life to. Considering the monumental effort required, knowing that I will have the help of other professionals like myself will be a continual source of strength in the years to come. And it is with that in mind that I devote myself towards helping others have the tools to know, understand, and work with one another towards something greater than themselves. We can do great things with the resources we have today, and being able to pool our resources on a greater scale than we have ever been able to in our history is the key to pushing ourselves farther and farther past our limits into an ever-hopeful future. It is with eagerness and trepidation that I prepare myself to tackle and overcome this monumental task. Now, more than ever, being able to communicate and work together is the most important challenge to pursue and conquer. Bringing people together through the use of technology in some way is the task that we as information professionals face. But by doing so, the first and most important step in facing any storm will be complete.